Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. So today I'm going to show you how you can code or program computer language using online compilers. The compiler I'm going to show you applicable only for Python. So Python gives us variety of compilers that are available throughout the whole internet process, as well as there are many navigators which provide us a good environment for coding for Python codes. Once again, they all require spaces. So, so there are n number of websites which provide compilation Python code. But the best online compiler, which is flawless accessing environment, is Google Colab. So today I'm going to show you how we can access Colab, how it works, and everything about that. So first I'm going to my Google Chrome. Sorry, it's already open. I'm closing that. I'm going to show you how to open that. So Google Colab. You can also write Colab. Google Colab. The first link that is present, we're going to click on that. Google Colab. Our interface showing this will show where you can choose Google Drive, GitHub, upload a new notebook. The link is given in the description below. You can check it out. Here I click the Google Drive. Here you can access any of the drive. You can also give the path for the GitHub where your code is written. You can also drag and drop. Simply, you can do anything over here. There are a number of examples how to do so. You can check it out. Today I'm going to show you how to access it. So I'm clicking on New Node. After a bit, it will show us the cell where we can write our code. So here is our interface. It will look something like that. You can also give it a name. My first. This is my first. I'm going to show you how you can write. Suppose I'm writing a print hello world, the basic code that we want to do. So after that, I'm going to click over here. It will take a bit time. So here I'll write each and every process down in the description. You can check it out. So it will give an expected output, something like that. You can also change the name. You can write your code on the cell. Again, our output is done. Is showing us hello world. So there are many other ways you can do. You can add codes line. You can add text. What does the text doing here? Just simply thinking like that. You wrote a program. Whole program is written, and the other user want to know what kind of program is this. So giving a text line will help the user communicate with the code what is all about going on. Now I'm going to show you another one. Suppose a equals to 9, print a. Take a bit time. At first it take a bit time. After that it runs flawlessly. Here the RAM describes everything, how much memory is left, whatever it shows. Here 9 is shown, hello world is shown. I am exiting all the outputs. Runtime, run all. This will run all the cells one by one. As you can see, run before. After they run on the focused cell, you need to choose the cell which you want to run, it will run. You can also click it over here, you can make it run. Next I'm going to show you what does the file option do here. You can save it in Google Drive with creating a copy on the Google Drive. And here it is. Open as a new cell. So I'm going to close that one. Now again, save a copy to GitHub. You can also save GitHub this, and this one is GitHub. Next one you can save it. The saving is automatic. You don't need to press it like that. If it says like the save fails, then only you can click on this button. You can also download the Python IDE, PYNB. You can also download .py. Both the files can be accessible over here. So this is all about Python. You can edit all the cells here, view all the cells. You can also share the code, whichever you have written, you can share it to anyone. You can also comment on the other codes. You just wrote, suppose you have wrote 10-line code and you share it to someone else. They can also comment over here. So it's all about this. So hope you understood. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and share my channel to everyone. You're ready to use the Colab environment. It's very quick, easy, and flawless. If you have any query regarding this, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.